Hi everybody, in this video I want to show how to use kmeans module in Python for clustering an image into different number of clusters. First, I want to show the import modules that we use. For example, pandas as a PD and matplotlib. Also, the most important module in this application is the sklearn cluster import kmeans. So I also import numpy, but in this code, we don't use it. So the first function in this script is gray image to pandas. It takes an input image, and then the output would be a data frame, which the image will be flattened and then transposed. Then that df, which is the data frame of the image, would be the output of this function, because we wanted to actually convert the image into a data frame as a panda output. So here we specify the address of the file, which is the, it could be any image. Here we have a shirt front original.jpg. Just assume there is a shirt and background. So first we use imread, the address of this shirt. We can show this shirt image. So why not running this part of the code to see the output? So this is the shirt. We're gonna cluster these image. So the first part is we have to convert the these image into the gray image. So in order to do that, we use CV module, CV2, which convert actually the shirt image into BGR to gray. Then we call this function that we talked about, that gray image to pandas. That gray image will be converted to data frame. Let's run it. So then here we start clustering this image. Here I chose 2 clusters because I assume there's a background and there is an object which is shirt. Then, so here we can use the kmeans. Let me use the kmeans here because we don't want to show the cluster right now. Okay. So number of clusters 2. Then we call kmeans module, number of clusters, which is n clusters 2, and then fit to that data frame shirt image. And then we can also reshape the output into the original image, because we use the flatten, which actually changed the shape of the image. Image is a 2D array, but when we use flatten, it would be 1D array. So the output would be, after reshaping, it would be 2D again. So let's run the kmeans. It would take time. Yeah, we're pretty fast. Then cluster result would be something that we wanted to present here as an issue. And let's run it, and we see here that we cluster the image into two different categories. One is the blue, which is 0, and another category is shown by yellow, 1. We can also examine this script for different number of clusters, for 3, 4, whatever. But I chose 2 because I expect 1 background and 1 shirt. Thanks for watching and enjoy the video.